Put a little bit of sprinkle. Did I just say sprinkle? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, my name is Griselda. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to create this eye makeup look. I wanted this video to be focused solely on the eyes because I know a lot of holiday parties are happening and you guys have seen me do my foundation routine and everything else so many times. So in this video, I am going to just be focusing on the eyeshadow. So if you want to see how I create this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, as you guys can see, I have my foundation on and I've also primed my eyes. So we're just going to go ahead and get into the eyeshadow. For this look, I'm going to be using the Morphe in collab with the James Charles palette. So it has super vibrant colors, but it also has a really pretty neutral colors. So we're going to go ahead and dive into this color right here as our transition shade. We're going to pick up this Sigma. This is the tapered blending E40 brush. I'm just going to bring that color into the crease. Oh, it's a lot brighter than what I was expecting. It's definitely a lot more orange than what it actually looks like in the palette. But it definitely works out perfect for the look that I'm going for today. I feel like with any holiday party, you can rock any look as long as it has some type of shimmer. Okay, so moving on to the second color for the crease, we're gonna move on and apply this right here. You guys don't mind my nail. I know it's broken. I'm gonna get it fixed before Christmas. But for that, we're gonna use a more tapered brush. This is a Jaclyn Hill JH33 brush. And we're just gonna pick that up with the tip of the brush and we're gonna apply it directly on top of that first transition shade. But we're gonna focus it just in the crease and we're not gonna bring it too high up. And I'm also bringing the color all the way towards the inner part of the crease because I also wanna add depth in there as well. You're almost kind of creating a halo effect. And I'm also keeping the brush on its stomach, which means it's like laying flat on the lid like this. So you're going back and forth like this and you're not doing this. That's gonna keep the color right in the crease and not go too high up. This year I'm gonna spend Christmas with my dad and his side of the family, so I'm pretty excited about that. So now I'm just going back in with that Sigma blending brush and then just kind of blending those two colors together. And then just go back in and just deepen it in just a little more. And with this look, you wanna spend most of the time blending out the crease because that's what's going to stand out. You got to make sure that you can't see where each transition shade starts and ends. And also, if it makes you feel a little bit more comfortable, you can add a little bit of translucent powder like right underneath if you do tend to get a lot of fallout. To deepen up the crease, I'm going to pick up this color from the Juvia's palette, this darker chocolate color right here, and we're going to deepen in the crease. And we're still using that Jaclyn Hill 33 brush. I just want the crease to have a lot of depth. So I'm just gonna bring that in. And again, I'm doing that same motion where I'm placing the brush flat on its stomach and just focusing it right into the crease. And do the same step, you wanna bring it in to the inner corner and create that halo effect. So next we're gonna pick up this color right here with a flat concealer brush. And we are going to spray a little bit of Fix Plus. And we are going to pop that on the lid. And I'm using more of a pressing motion just so it can be really, really opaque. A cool trick too that I've learned is putting the brush almost like flat on its stomach and picking up the eyeshadow and just kind of applying it as if you were applying an eyeliner. And it gets right at the root of the lash line. Okay, so this is where the fun begins. We're gonna add a little bit of this Stila. This is the Kitten Karma. We're just gonna pop that right in the center just to give it a little extra something. And I'm going in a patting motion. Now we're gonna use this Juvia's tapered brush and we're gonna pick up that color that was all over the lid. So now we're just gonna place that color right on the outer corner just to kind of blend out the edges. And I'm pressing and kind of blending outwards. This is like a lit up Christmas tree. All right, moving on to eyeliner. I'm gonna be using my favorite gel liner. It's the Inglot 77, and we're gonna do a very subtle wing. Hopefully, let's just pray to God that it comes up even. I kind of went a little bit higher, not out. I'm gonna be using the 266S by MAC. This is a synthetic version of the regular 266 by MAC, and I really like using this for a wing liner. I really love using this gel liner because it goes pretty much over everything, especially if you have glitter. It just still is really smooth and it's really rich in color. So here, what I want to do is I'm going to follow the shape of my eye, but instead of going out, I'm going to go upwards like that. And then we're just going to bring that in. And because this brush is a little bit flatter than the regular brush, because it's synthetic, it gives you that really nice thin line. And you can just connect it like that. And then all you have to do is just fill in the wing. And I constantly go back in and just kind of flatten out the brush on the cap of the gel liner. It just makes it so much easier to keep that thin line. For mascara, I'm going to apply a little bit of this roller lash mascara. When I'm going to be reusing lashes, I try not to get so much mascara on them so they can last a lot longer. So for lashes, I'm going to pop on these Extra by Baddie B Lashes. These are so pretty. And I really love how they're really flared out like this. All right, so let's go ahead and pop these lashes on. I really love these lashes for a look like this because they're just like so extra. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up if you are loving this look, and also if you are not subscribed, make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you get notified every single time I upload, because you don't want to miss out on looks like this. All right, so I decided not to do a black eyeliner in my waterline because I feel like it's just gonna close out my eyes. So we're gonna be using this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, and this is in the shade Double Life, which we know some people live. And we are gonna just run that through the waterline. And it's still staying in that same color family. Look at how pretty that looks. And then we're just gonna bring it a little lower than your lash line. I really love these eyeliners because they are super creamy and they don't run like most men. We're gonna go ahead and use the James Charles palette again. We're gonna use this color right here. That's the same color that is on our lid, and we're gonna pick up pencil brush and we're just going to blend that out. And this is just gonna diffuse that eyeliner. For my bottom mascara, you guys know I love using the Extended Play Gigablack by MAC. We're just gonna run that off. Fudge cakes. That's okay, we're just gonna let that dry. Let's go ahead and finish the rest of the skin. For my blush, I'm gonna be using, this is the Back to Black Mineralized Baked Bronzer. This is by the, I think it's MAKIAGE. To be honest with you, I don't know how to pronounce their brand, but I really have been loving their products. And it's a bronzer, but I'm just gonna pop it on the apple of the cheek and just kind of make it into a really nice natural bronze blush. And I'm using the Spotlight Duster brush by Sigma. It's like very nice and subtle. And then of course, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out. Just gonna buff it out just a little bit. To highlight, I'm gonna be using this Pixie Glow. This is the Gilded Bear Glow. Then I'm gonna pick up this Beach Cosmetics 140 brush, and I'm actually just gonna run it through right across just to pick up a little bit of every color. I want the highlight to be really subtle because I want the eyes to be the focus. So we're just gonna do a very small amount of this. And I feel like this highlight palette is perfect for that because it gives you like a really nice natural glow. And just do the chin area, run that through the nose. Got a little carried away on the forehead, so we're just gonna buff that out. All right, so for the lips, I'm gonna be using this Makeup Forever. This is in the shade N12. I love a lip liner that can just glide on like butter. You guys are probably gonna hate me, but I'm gonna go in with No Shade lipstick. Look at it's like almost gone. This is from the Desi and Katie collab, their first collab. I absolutely love this lipstick. Comment down below if you have this lipstick. It's literally one of my favorite nude lipsticks. Then I'm just gonna go back in with the lip liner. The key to you not looking crazy is just going back in and just defining the lips a little bit more. Now I'm going to be using this Artist Couture. This is the Climax Gloss. I usually don't like to use the applicator when I have lipstick. If I were to just be wearing the lip gloss on its own, I would put it on directly with the wand, but because I have lipstick on, I'm just going to apply it on my hand first and then apply it on my lips. And I'm just going to use this Sedona Lace EB21 brush. This lately has been one of my favorite glosses. It's so pretty. You definitely need to get your hands on this. All right, everyone, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below. Let me know if you're gonna be trying this look for Christmas or for New Year's. Honestly, you can switch up the colors and make it your own, but I thought just popping on a little bit of shimmer in the center of the lid was just gonna make the look very festive. So let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys in my next video.